Question number 1. What is the normal duration of a human pregnancy? The right answer is option C, 40 weeks. Question number 2. Which hormone is responsible for maintaining the corpus luteum during early pregnancy? The right answer is option C, human chorionic gonadotropin, HCG. Question number 3. At which week of gestation is the fetal heartbeat usually detectable by ultrasound? The right answer is option B, 6 weeks. Question number 4. What is the recommended daily folic acid intake for pregnant women to prevent neural tube defects? The right answer is option B, 400 mcg. Question number 5. Which of the following is a sign of pregnancy induced hypertension? The right answer is option B, proteinuria. Question number 6. What is the ideal position for fetal monitoring during labor? The right answer is option B, left lateral position. Question number 7. Which diagnostic test confirms pregnancy? The right answer is option B, urine beta HCG test. Question number 8. What is the term for the postpartum moment felt by the mother? The right answer is option A, quickening. Question number 9. Which condition is characterized by excessive vomiting during pregnancy? The right answer is option B, hyperemesis gravidarum. Question number 10. The primary cause of gestational diabetes is? The right answer is option A, insulin resistance. Question number 11. During which trimester does the fundus reach the umbilicus? The right answer is option B, second trimester. Question number 12. What is the normal range of amniotic fluid index during pregnancy? The right answer is option B, 5 up to 25 centimeter. Question number 13. Which of the following is a contraindication for breastfeeding? The right answer is option A, HIV infection in the mother. Question number 14. What is the recommended weight gain for a woman with normal BMI during pregnancy? The right answer is option B, 11.5 up to 16 kg. Question number 15. Which vaccine is recommended during pregnancy? The right answer is option B, influenza vaccine. Question number 16. Which of the following is not a feature of preeclampsia? The right answer is option D, hyperglycemia. Question number 17. Which test is used to assess fetal lung maturity? The right answer is option D, lecithin sphingomyelin ratio. Question number 18. At what gestational age is the pregnancy considered full term? The right answer is option B, 37 up to 41 weeks. Question number 19. Which nutrient is crucial for preventing anemia in pregnancy? The right answer is option C, iron. Question number 20. Which fetal condition is most commonly associated with polyhydramnios? The right answer is option B, anencephaly. Question number 21. What is the most common cause of first trimester bleeding? The right answer is option C, miscarriage. Question number 22. The hormone responsible for uterine contractions during labor is? The right answer is option B, oxytocin. Question number 23. The presence of excessive amniotic fluid is referred to as? The right answer is option A, polyhydramnios. What is the ideal frequency of antenatal checkups during the third trimester? The right answer is option A, every week. Question number 25. What is the primary intervention for shoulder dystocia during delivery? The right answer is option A, McRoberts maneuver. Question number 26. What is the normal fetal heart rate range? The right answer is option B, 100 up to 160 beats per minute. Question number 27. Which diagnostic test is used to detect Down syndrome and pregnancy? The right answer is option A, amniocentesis. Question number 28. What is the most common cause of postpartum hemorrhage? The right answer is option B, uterine atony. Question number 29. Which of the following is a danger sign during pregnancy? The right answer is option C, severe headache with visual disturbances. Question number 30. The fetal head descending into the pelvis is referred to as. The right answer is option B, lightning.